machine. Here's your 363 small block Ford. Few descriptions, combinations. Got AFR cylinder heads on it. Got the Pro-Am intake manifold, Holley throttle body, Holley Terminator X fuel management, custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the March Serpentine belt set up. Make sure the alternator charged for you. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,700 to 393 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 438. Been flat there. Peaks horsepower 518. Rate of 530. Front end's about 20, so everything's good. Get her off there in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.